And then my former employer and some other colleagues rang me up and said, well, the bank is advertising a job that you think you should apply because you are eminently qualified for it. I applied. Went through 2 interviews. Well, the first one a bit half-heartedly because I was thinking it was going to disrupt my plan for the 1-year retreat or 1-year rest. But anyway, as God would have it, I came along, I was hired, I reported here in 2023. And this is where I'm going to begin my journey of sharing with you tonight. When I reported at the bank, about 3 or 4 weeks later, I was going for coffee, and I met a very excited group of young Kenyan economists at the bank. Many of them had been there for 2 or 3 years. They asked me, oh, Waziri, is this you? You know the way Kenyans behave when they meet you. Waziri, is this you? I said, it's me for sure. Shake my hand, it's me. Then they said, no. We must sit down. We want to hear you. You know, a lot of us admire you and are inspired. We want to hear you. Give us a date. Ask them, when do you want to meet? They said, well, we have some of our friends who are also working with some think tanks in Washington. Can you allow us a day or 2? Because we want to also ask our friends to come along so that you can talk to all of us. Because there are so many people who would like to listen to you. I said, sure enough, I am here. Long story short, we met at the time that we all agreed. Met these 7 young economists, many of them fresh from graduate school and so on, all of them Kenyans. And they engaged me for about 3 hours. Asked me, you know, how is government? Do you think we should go and, you know, serve government? In fact, 1 or 2 or 3 of the questions they asked me, I saw them on the list of the questions you have asked me tonight. How did you manage to succeed? Well, you know, those things you are doing, like in education, how did you manage to do it? Anyway, we had a long chat. But 2 things that I told them that are important for tonight. 1, I told them, my friends, my experience as I go through this life is that as Kenyans, we now, all of us, need to migrate to the 2nd level of growth and development.